To send money from Pakistan to abroad, you need to follow a series of steps to ensure a smooth and secure transaction. First, you need to choose a money transfer service, such as a bank or a money transfer company like Western Union or MoneyGram. These services have their own requirements and fees, so it is essential to compare them before making a decision. Next, you need to gather the required documents, which typically include a valid passport, CNIC, and proof of address. You may also need to provide the recipient's details, such as their full name, address, and bank account information. Once you have all the necessary documents, you can proceed to the next step, which is to visit the bank or money transfer office. You will need to fill out a transaction form, which will require you to provide the recipient's details, the amount you want to send, and the purpose of the transaction. After filling out the form, you will need to pay the transaction fee and the amount you want to send. The transaction fee will vary depending on the service you choose and the amount you are sending. You can pay using cash, debit card, or credit card. Once the transaction is processed, you will receive a receipt and a tracking number. You can use the tracking number to track the status of your transaction and ensure that the recipient receives the money. It is essential to note that there are limits on the amount of money you can send from Pakistan to abroad. The State Bank of Pakistan has set a limit of $10,000 per person per year for individuals. You will also need to comply with the anti-money laundering and anti-terrorist financing regulations. To avoid any issues or delays, it is recommended to use a reputable money transfer service and to provide accurate and complete information. You should also keep the receipt and tracking number safe, as you may need to provide them to the recipient or the authorities. In conclusion, sending money from Pakistan to abroad requires careful planning and attention to detail. By following these steps and choosing a reputable money transfer service, you can ensure a smooth and secure transaction. Remember to always comply with the regulations and to keep the receipt and tracking number safe.